All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the evening watch list report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist. As you know, tomorrow is Take Back Friday, and we got to be prepared for that, right? I think there's some jobless claims or something coming out tomorrow as well. So here on the theta chart, you have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You're still in a locked-in bull market here, as this target right here, our initial target is $3.50, and I think the market should be able to accomplish that hopefully by the weekend. We'll see what happens. Next up is Zcash or ZEC. It's still in a locked-in bear market. It's falling through the vortex just as we anticipated. We came until today's trading with a crash alert, and it looks like this market is now in a free fall status and on its way to testing and taking out the 52-week lows. So beware if you are in that market. Next is XRP Ripple, was still in a locked-in bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and the market is riding the top of the Kumo cloud here, support. And I do believe that as we get close another day or two, you should see that pop back up to the 70 cent range. And then we'll see if the market can test the higher end of this consolidation bars range and even burst out of it topside. So you're still all systems go. You are consolidated though, but looking like the bulls have been defending the support of this bar. So the market should get enough energy in it to push higher now and push forward from here. So this will be interesting to watch. Next up is silver. Silver, new 52-week highs, maintaining that $28 handle, and it has not pulled back. All right, no pullback yet. But it looks like the market may be getting close to doing that. So we're going to be watching this one too. Very interesting times for silver. And then with the Dow, just like we said, it came here to test the bottom of the Kumo cloud support. And this market now is threatening to drop below this and go into free fall. 38,000 is your psychological support. And that's only about 670 points away. So beware in the Dow. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. It came down to test the psychological top of the Kumo cloud support. And this market is also in a position to drop below 18K, which is only about 300 points away from doing that. So beware there. Next up is the gold futures. So we hit the new 52-week highs, and then we had a crash alert coming into today's trading, and you didn't get any downside production. Today is just day one. Tomorrow will be day two. So we're watching for that. If you're along this market, take precautions. If you are a member, the attack reports on your dashboard, which all the reports are available right now on your dashboard. If you take a look at that, then you'll know what you should be doing if you are long this market. Okay. Next, we have the E-mini S&P 500. Same thing. You're in a corrective mode, and you still have a few more points to go to come down here and touch and test the top of the Kumo cloud support at 5,125. Okay, not too far away from that, but 100 points away from that. And then the bottom of the Kumo cloud support is at 49.80. All right, so that 5,000 psychological support could end up being tested. So again, beware if you're in the stock indices. The bearish trend momentum reading is still in effect. Crude oil has a bearish trend momentum reading. You had the crash alert, and then you didn't get any downside production yet, but then you had another crash alert coming into today. So you definitely want to pay attention in the crude oil with this bearish trend momentum reading. The market is putting itself in a corrective state so that it could come down and test the top of the Kumo cloud support at 77.24. So be forewarned there. Next, we have the euro, which did go into free fall, back-to-back negative bot check. So we know more downside is coming in the euro. Next up is the pound sterling. Same thing. Crash alert coming into today. We're looking for downside production on back of the negative bot check as well. So a down leg is coming in both the pound and the euro. As far as the Aussie is concerned, the Aussie is trying to buck that, and it's trying to run here. So the bulls are coming in and defending the support zone here to give the market another push back up towards 67. So this one, is now here at the bottom end of this range, and every time it comes down here, it rallies right back up to test the top of the Kumo cloud. Then it came down here, rally right back again. So watch, rinse, repeat. I think the market's going to keep doing this until it breaks out. So we may see this back and forth like this until the market gets topside the Kumo cloud, which is only about a week away or even less before it breaks out of the cloud and starts to head north. 66 will probably be the support once this market gets going. All right, so FYI on that one. All right, next up we got the Russell. So the Russell did come down here and break the top of the Kumo cloud support and is now on its way to testing the bottom of the Kumo cloud. 2K is the psychological support for the Russell. If it doesn't maintain that, it has a high probability to go in the free fall. All right, and then you're on your way to testing the 52-week lows. So be prepared there. Ethereum locked in. We got a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. 4K is our initial upside target for that. Then on Bitcoin futures, we still got the bearish trend momentum reading. You had the crash alert, a smidgen of downside production, then a stall today. So it is a possibility that it could try to come down, but this is consolidation, and being the fact that the bulls are coming and defending around this level here means that the market will probably just continue to move sideways, and we may even have a breakout to the upside over the weekend. I wouldn't be surprised if that happened, just because of the power of this market and how it's consolidating up here. It's probably preparing itself to blast off topside. All right, so yeah, that's basically what we've been seeing here. So just we'll have to watch and see what Bitcoin ends up doing over the weekend. And then, of course, the U.S. dollar index powered itself up, had a rally alert coming into today. We got that upside production, and we're in the 105 handle targeting 106. So 106 is our next upside target for this move in the dollar. All right, so FYI on that. All right, and I do see you there in the live chat. You want to take a look at Fusion Fuel. Okay, let's see what we got here, if I can get that up there for you. The ticker is HTOO. Okay, so Fusion Fuel. All right, this is an equity or stock. So let's see what we got here for you. All right, so this one here is in a bear market. It was locked in, and then it stopped moving lower. Now you have a bullish trend momentum reading. You've been flip-flopping between bullish and bearish in this wider consolidation pattern. This is your consolidation bar right here. Price action has been trying to stay within that range. And now that you had a rally alert and you don't have any real upside production yet, but you're still in a corrective phase, this will probably drag on sideways until it gets here toward the Kumo cloud. So yeah, you probably got another 2-3 weeks of this consolidation. Then if you can get lucky, you'll get inside the Kumo cloud. It's a very wide cloud. All right, so that's something to consider as well. The top side of this cloud is here at $2.80. The bottom of the Kumo cloud is at $1.62. All right, so that's a very wide cloud. So once you get in here, you'll be consolidated more. So all I see is consolidation. This big parabolic, super parabolic bar, they gave you the 52-week highs back during February of this year. You can see the market's worked all that off. It's closed the gap that was made initially as well. That gap has now been closed. That's why you're seeing the market cease to fall. So the correction is trying to come to an end, and you're about to get a bear market rally. Once the market can get back above the Kumo cloud, right? And let's just put it at around $3. Once this market can get to $3, then yes, then from there, the next upside target is the 52-week high. All right. But as long as you're below this Kumo cloud, below this $3 mark, the market's going to stay consolidated like this and just flip back and forth and go nowhere, unfortunately. All right, folks, you know what it is, man. The system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. On that note, everyone have a wonderful, happy trading Friday and a great weekend. I'll see you guys back here. Members, you know, we're always in the Discord or in the live Slack room. All right, so members, hold on. We're going to go over a couple of things, and the rest of you, see you in the next one.